What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Better Off Dying by Lil Peep. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free, brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the details on how you can enter to win, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay, you guys, so this song is in drop C sharp tuning, and what that means is that your guitar is tuned into drop D tuning, and then every string is also tuned down a half step. I am not in drop C sharp, I'm just in drop D. You can definitely still play it that way, but if you want to play it along to the song, you will have to tune your guitar into drop C sharp tuning. So if you need the tab for the song or the notes for the strings, if you want to tune your guitar into that tuning, the tab and all that will be in the description below. So if you need that, once you get done with the video, go check it out. For now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So the notes for the song are going to be 2 on your E string, low E, 2 on your D, 1 on your D, 4 on your low E twice, then 4 on your D, 4 on your low E, and then 4 on your A. So 2, 2, 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and that's E, E, D, E, A. So 2, 2, 1, 4, 4, D, E, A, then 6 on your low E, then back to 4 on your D, then to 2 on your A, to 4 on your low E, to 1 on your low E, back to 4 on your D, to 2 on your A, to 4 on your A. I'm going to play through this entire thing super slow. Like I said, tab will be in the description if you need it. I'm going to just play through the entire thing very, very slowly so you can see every single note, and then I'll speed it up a little bit when you guys are getting a little bit more comfortable with it. So. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with a free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.